Today is January 10, 2020. I just flew in, I just rode in from the Raiders HQ, 19.5 kilometers, about 12 miles or so. Calculation on the screen. All right, you guys, let's check things out. It is a lovely day here in Vegas, not too hot, not too cold. Excuse me. No, I did not bring my gimbal today, so this is all handheld, and I hope the stabilization does us justice. All right, so what's been happening? My first video of the new year, and check it out. So the workers are now parking in the parking lot. Hey, we're at gate number 7. We're at gate number 7 on the northern end of the stadium. Check out the workers' cars. All right, they are parking here. That's great, 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 great. Whoa, still kind of jittery though. Hope this works. Now we're on Polaris. It's smooth on the street, not the sidewalk. Now check it out. As you can see, the parking lot, well, this lot looks good. Now I don't know if this lot will be for the VIPs or not, because you know, if you can park here, it's an easy jaunt to the station. I'm sorry, easy jaunt to the stadium. All right, let's see. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, what's going on these days? Now, some key dates coming up in the future. Hang on a second. So how you doing? Some Raiders, all right. That's the way. Hey everybody, this is OneManOneCamera, and Happy New Year if I haven't seen you this year at all. Okay, so today I'm at the UNLV track and field stadium, which is in front of the UNLV football practice facility. So we'll talk about a few things about the NFL and the some key dates for the Oakland Raiders, soon to be Las Vegas Raiders. First up, NFL date. On the February 24th through March 2nd is the Combine held in Indianapolis. Teams go there to evaluate some prospective people to grab. Let's see what happens there. And then here's a big date. March 18th is the day that the Oakland Raiders will officially become the Las Vegas Raiders. That is the start of the NFL year. And so I'm presuming that whenever teams leave or start or become brand new or whatever, it starts with the new year. The new year starts March 18th, and that'll be the year for the Las Vegas Raiders. Additionally, March 18th also starts the free agency time. So, you know, guys are running around trying to get a good contract. We'll see what happens. March 29th to April 1st, that is the owners meeting, I believe in Palmdale. Yeah, the annual spring meeting in Palmdale, Florida. I'm not invited, so hope they have a good time. Some dynamite food, I bet, also. Now, here's a big one in Vegas. April 23rd to April 25th is the NFL draft, which is in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, from what I understand, it's going to be held at the new convention center. It's called the Caesars Forum. It was called Caesars Forum 2020. It's called Caesars Forum. Some call it Caesars Forum Convention Center. What's in the name, right? So anyway, but it's located behind the Link and behind the High Roller. That's the giant Ferris wheel. It's called the High Roller. It's behind there, and the place is due to open. It's brand new. It's still in construction right now. And so the draft is in April 23rd to 25th. And so I presume it's due to open probably in, you know, February, March, to make sure everything's all working and all the wiring is done and so on and so on. Should be held. Okay, now, at the draft, the Raiders have 2 first-round draft picks, the number 12 and number 19. Additionally, they're scheduled to make 7 more picks, but of course that could change if they want to trade in and trade out of those things. We'll see what happens. Now, the notes. In June, the Raiders are scheduled to complete their move into the Raiders HQ, well, the official name, the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center, Raiders HQ. Raiders HQ. They're due to move in there in June. I don't have an actual date, a hard date, but it'll be during the month of June. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, now, July 31st, that's when Allegiant Stadium is set for substantial completion. That's what the article said. It didn't say fully done, but substantial completion. And the stadium will be event ready, but there's still some bits and bobs to be done, and that'll be done through October. And that's that. April 29th, you have UNLV versus University of California, Pac-12 at the Allegiant Stadium. That should be nice. And then September 13th and 14th is NFL opening season day. Well, days. The Raiders are expected to play Allegiant Stadium either on the Sunday night game or the Monday night game. That has not been set in stone yet. We'll see what happens. Other news. I saw a tweet from this guy, I forgot his name, apologies. And he was mentioning how the roof still has issues and cannot be raised in a timely fashion. Now, I don't know if it's true or not, but that is an integral part of the arena, obviously, of the stadium. And so let's hope that they can get it raised and everything done and completed, you know, by the July 31st date. For those of you who don't know, UNLV is right on the flight path to McCarran Airport. So there are times when the planes fly over every about 2 or 3 minutes. And so, but it's nice down here, you guys. You know, aside from the airplanes, it's a nice little spot to make a video. But anyway, back to the thing. So like I said, there is a rumor about the roof not being done completely the roof being slowed down for whatever reasons. And so we'll see what happens. But hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, hopefully it will get done, you know, and the rumors can stop. I think that is about it on our little Raider update. As always, I thank you all for watching. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. Au revoir. Fantastic. Now this part, maybe decoration right here. Planter boxes maybe. Yeah, who knows? I don't know. But perhaps planter boxes. They'll put some nice little trees in there or something. All right? Very good. Here are big cranes, Tweety Bird and Big Bird doing their thing as usual, making everybody happy. Another planter box right here. All right, let's go on to Dean Martin Hangar right. Friday, Friday. Ta-da! Oh, look, check out. The sun goes right through the lanai door opening. Lanai door opening. And here we're going to have to grade this area for parking. Man, great looking place. And just to the left, where the building curves at, that's where the giant LED screen is to be. Those little guys, those studs or whatever poking out, or holders, or whatever you want to call them, or racks, whatever, it will be right there. And the outhouses are always there. Hallelujah for that. Joyriding in a small little car. Paint? Whoa! Mama always told me not to look into the eyes of the sun. And future home of the Raiders, Allegiant Stadium. And so across, check out the glare from the Mandalay Bay. Whoa. You know, that glare, you can almost feel the heat on your face. Interesting, yeah? Delano. And Allegiant Stadium. All right, everyone. Once again, I thank thee for joining us today. Remember, thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend. If you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. All right, you guys, go home. Oh, but check out the reflection of the Delano and Mandalay Bay in the glass. Wowza.